What's up you guys, it's Ben, and on today's video we're going to talk about, is it a good time for you to start selling on Amazon during the pandemic? A lot of our students are a little bit nervous and worried. What's going to happen to them? Are there going to be any sales? Are people actually shopping online at the moment? Why not just wait until the pandemic is over when it's a little bit safer to start, and everything comes back and we can start selling again? Well, I personally think it's the perfect time for you to start selling for a number of reasons. Number one, it's the fact that actually we have much more time on our hands at the moment. Majority of us are actually working from home or have been furloughed. Therefore, the time that you spend during traveling to work and from work, lunch times, etc., we now have free. We use that time either on Netflix, watching TV, spending time with our kids, walking our dogs, etc. So why not spend at least an hour or two a day to learn about Amazon? Learn how to sell on Amazon, learn how to do constructive product research, and then learn how to find the best products to sell on Amazon. It's the perfect time for you to start selling. Second is the fact that a lot of us can see that currently all the pubs, restaurants, cinemas, all other entertainment venues are actually closed at the moment, and therefore majority of us have more disposable income to spend elsewhere. And the only place that we can turn to is online, is e-commerce sites, whether that is eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or any other online platform. All of them have actually seen an increase in sales over the last few months. If you actually type in Amazon into Google Trends, you will see that Amazon is currently searched more than during the time around Christmas times, where a lot of us are actually spending money for selling, buying our presents for our family, our children, etc. Right now, there is more demand for products on Amazon than during Christmas. Why would you not want to be a part of it? If you look at the share price of Amazon, it's always at an all-time high at the moment, whilst all other businesses are struggling. Every single business have actually dropped down in share price because their operations had to close, because they don't see any customers at the moment, and they have been forced to stop operations. Third and foremost, and I think this is quite important as well, if you actually look at the CNBC reports, online sales have increased by 10% in the last month alone. And that is purely by the fact that there is no other competition out there. Everything else is closed, and customers only have online to go to. And I personally think this is going to continue long term as well, because a lot of customers are now getting used to the convenience that Amazon and other marketplaces bring. You just simply buy, and the next day the product is delivered to your house. You don't have to go outside, you don't have to do anything else, you just pay and it's at your doorstep the next day. So why not be a part of that? Why not take advantage of the fact that you could be one of those sellers that is experiencing the increase in demand? This is the perfect time for you to start selling and building the side hustle that you always wanted. So thank you so much for the watch. If you do want to see more videos around selling on Amazon, passive income, please don't forget to like the video. It would really help me out. And I would also like for you to subscribe to my channel, because there is a lot more content that I'll be sending you guys over the next few weeks. Thank you, until next time.